Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine Marie. I am a self-taught sewist and I make videos here on YouTube all about fashion, beauty, and design. If you love fashion, beauty, and design videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. It has been a minute since I've been on the tube. Y'all, I gotta be real. I was sick for a few months. Well, it wasn't a few months. I was sick for like 2 months and I wasn't feeling well. So I didn't really feel like filming on my YouTube channel. Also, I wasn't that inspired creatively. So that kind of kept me from creating too. But now we're back in the flow. I'm back on the tube. I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited to be bringing you all another Sewing My Dream Pinterest Wardrobe video. Today's episode is going to be great because I somehow got some inspiration from a piece of clothing that I bought from Walmart. I'm going to put a video here. It was a men's looking shirt, but it was a dress. Yeah, so when I was looking at it, I was like, wait a minute, could I make a dress out of a men's shirt? Stay with me. So I thought it would be really fun to go to my local Goodwill, pick up some men's shirts, and see if I could transform them into dresses. Okay, y'all, we just got back from Goodwill. I picked out 3 shirts because I had a really hard time deciding what shirts to get. So the first one I got is this very nice, I guess this is pinstripe orange shirt. Very cool. I feel like this for the summer is gonna be cute. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna upcycle it yet, but this is giving. I love this one. Next one is this orange. This isn't like, it kind of has like, I guess a chevron kind of print on it, but it actually feels really soft. But yeah, I think this one, very nice, good quality. Super excited to figure out what to do with this one. Last but not least, this one. This pattern is just classic men's shirt, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like this is gonna turn out so cool as some sort of upcycle. Again, I don't know what to do with it yet. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna have fun. That's the point of this video. Have fun, explore, figure out what looks really cool. That's the point. That's the point. Hi everyone. A little update. I decided to just choose one top to DIY. I was having a hard time deciding, but I think I'm overwhelming myself with all the 3 shirts I picked out. So I just narrowed it down to one. So we're just gonna use the orange pinstripe shirt.
I lied. I said I was only going to use one shirt, but I ended up using two. I had to. Y'all, once I put that top on, it was a little too short. The buns were out. We can't have that. All right. So I ended up using this other like orange shirt, which y'all, I cannot wait to show you the final look. It's gonna look so cute. I already know, I already know. And you know, it wouldn't be a Charmaine Marie recreation without a DIY accessory because I had so many leftovers from the scraps of the two orange shirts. I decided to make a belt. Y'all know I love my belts. But I basically made like a two-tone belt. So like the more darker orange is here and then the pattern orange is here. I mean, what? I feel like this turned out so cute. Literally, I just used the scraps of fabric and then just cut like triangles on the ends to make it kind of pointed. And now I have such a cute belt. I'm so excited. I feel like this is gonna go so great with the final look.
This is the final look. Y'all, what? Don't I look like I just stepped out of the Barbie movie? I mean, yeah, I needed that shirt on the bottom. We had to have the shirt on the bottom. And the belt? Ah! I feel like I'm going to like a beach club in like Malibu or something with my Ken. I feel like these glasses pair so cute with this look. I love the white. And I just feel like this look turned out so cute. I was a little distraught at first. I was like, I'm going to use one top, and I couldn't. And look at the result of having two. We were always meant to do two. We were always meant to do two. I think what I love most about this look has to be the belt. Like the belt ties the whole look together. Like, yeah, I'm going to Malibu. See you later. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I feel like at first when I was making this DIY, I was kind of overthinking it. I was like grabbing my patterns and my measuring tape, and I was like, girl, just simplify this. Just simplify it. So I cut the two shirts, put them together, and made this super cute look. I just want to say to any of my crafters, my sewists out there, don't overthink it. Just do it, just try it, simplify it, and you'll come out with an amazing, amazing creation. If you want to keep up with me, I am on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at the Charmaine Marie. And if you love fashion, beauty, and design videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.